a long time. Aaj amka very special day because we are going somewhere. Stay tuned to see where we are going. Our adventure began with a taxi ride to the Gatwick airport. Most of you must have guessed where I'm going. So I'm going with her. Ani my first solo trip with Harper. I can Harper bara can ekli hui also now on the flight. So always Bejo was with me. We left home at 3 o'clock. So Harper already nilele aha. आणि आमची 8:30 फ्लाइट. Bejo's friend came to drop me and तेणे आमकां check-in back करून दिले कित्याक आमची bags very heavy आली. Meanwhile, Harper woke up and we did the security clearance and everything was hassle-free. I didn't have to worry about anything. I just had sterile water, which they asked me what it was, and Harper's food, obviously they have to check it. So apart from that, there wasn't any issue. So it was time for our breakfast. So this is Harper's breakfast, which is mango and oats, like porridge. And this is mine, a burger and a coffee. So inga mashi teka helpa dile ani I must breakfast kelo te amorsor kitya before the flight I wanted just to tire her out so that she sleeps in the flight. It was time for a quick nappy change. It saves some time changing in the flight. आणि आमची मागीर gate announced जाली gate number, so it was quite a walk for us, but never mind, I had the carrier, so it was more easier for me to carry her. Anik तेणे बरे enjoy केले. She likes people watching. So this trip wasn't planned. We booked the flight last minute. So Bejo went to Goa before me, so he went in November. And my holidays were not approved, so last minute are approved. My husband wasn't traveling with us. I chose Qatar Airways because it's known for its family-friendly services. And now, ekle travel kuttale baby chibara. Normally burgi bahay zale tuka priority access mein hota, which is tujan poili board kuru zata flight. So I saw this video online where you board in last and it gives you less time in the plane because flight oichi poile zai thing checks basta yani dusre passengers board in ba kutta tenna thinga mashi stressful zata. So it's better to board in last because then they can play around and just tire themselves out before the flight. And that's what happened with Harper. She was very tired by the time we were boarding and she was ready to sleep. I nursed her and then she slept right away, so that was the plus point for me. So as a lovely gesture they gave us this toy and Harper played with it, so it was really nice of them to give it. So they served the breakfast here and the place is very compact, very tight. I'm bassinet seat poilen book kelele when I was booking the flight and luckily it was available. For the breakfast they served like egg quiche type and sausage and a patty, I think. So by the time I had my breakfast she woke up and I got her some fruits like blueberries. आणि तेक ते खावपा दिले आणि blueberries म्हणल्यार तेजे favorite, so तेणें बरें enjoy केलें तें खावपाक. And I had got her a few toys which she had never seen before, so that got her more engaged in them. We also got these nappy bags. It's like nappy powder, wipes, and some baby food as well. And she liked them. She had one packet, so she finished one pouch. And this is the masking tape I got for her, which was a hit. because Tentejbara itle heole, like I think she played with it for like 3 hours, like you know, in breaks. So she busy ulite heopak tinga tape kadun. So I got her this toy as well. It's more kind of like sensory play, but she didn't like it that much. Like titla like zao na to. So then tejbara titli heona. She just played with it for like few minutes and then she was done. It was screen time, so I let her watch it for a few minutes, and I gave her some milk, and then she started playing with the milk cartoon, and also she had her lunch as well. I didn't shoot that, and we did the nappy changes few times, like 3 times I think. And now as I said, masking tape anta kitli busy tolle te sogla des titunu chheutale chodshe. So I really recommend, if you're traveling with an infant, carry a masking tape. It will keep the baby busy and engaged for longer times, and it'll make your journey less stressful. So the passengers who were sat behind us, they were really friendly to Harper. So they think bara heole anik te heuta monsor ami Doha pauli anik. The main thing was she didn't cry on the flight, and it was a 6-hour something flight, and she didn't cry on that flight. So I'm really proud of her. I think here we did the security check and everything. The airport staff there were really friendly. They held Harper whilst I was doing the security check, and it helped me in a way. Doha airport is really beautiful and big, and the airport are also fountains and gardens bahai. And Harper ya fountain upon excited zale. She was really amazed by the fountain, so we waited there for a few minutes. So this is the garden I was talking about. It was really, really beautiful. You could hear the birds chirping, and I couldn't wait there for long because by the time we reached there, she was hungry. So I tried to click some pictures. She was really cranky here, so that's why we couldn't click any pictures. I think I was a bit disappointed to say, because I like clicking pictures and stuff. So the layover was just 2.5 hours. Most of the seats were empty here, so I mean mashi konarak bosli anik tekaye haupa dile. She likes the beef stew from Ella's kitchen, so mashi tinga bole anik I fed her. So it was boarding time, and we did a quick nappy change for her again. So this flight from Doha to Goa was a bit challenging for us. So we boarded the flight. She was all okay. There was nothing wrong. As usual, I nursed her and she went to sleep whilst taking off. She woke up by a sudden noise or something, and she didn't sleep for like 3 hours. It was really stressful for me because she was crying. But the passengers on that flight were mostly Goans, and they were very sympathetic and understanding. So thank you, whoever was on that flight. And Pajot and Pearl came to receive us, and that's them. This journey was quite an experience for me, and I will remember this solo trip with Harper forever, and I'm really proud of her. Apart from that, this was a surprise for my in-laws and also to my grandma. This is a surprise zali baby pool, but I couldn't film my grandma, but she was really, really excited, I can say that. Stay tuned for my next video, and we'll share more about our trip. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye bye.